the walkie and a pineapple soda. You gon' cry inside this Bentley or that broke nigga shoulder. Not like Joe Bro, not from Cincy. Bitch knows that where I post her. Took her and her friends out on the trip. I told Yachty put that boat up.
Skin her rapping by the 10 ball. Boy, that shit ain't nothing. All my haters, I can't stand y'all. Y'all gotta stop that bluffing. Hey, if it ain't about them bands, dawg, then it ain't no discussion. So damn thick, can't get her pants off. My bitch got that muffin. She can't even get them britches off. My bitch, she too thick. I done ran up so much digits, dawg. I think I'm too rich. I swear I got so many bitches, dawg.